Hey guys, this is Jordan Andrews for the Movement BMX, and this is my 2013 bike. Starting in the front, you got United Voyage bars, Primo top load stem, E-clat, string V2 forks. Going to the front rim, I got a Primo N4 FL hub and an Alienation black sheep rim with chrome spokes. And We the People gripping. Going to the seat post, I got an animal wedge post in charcoal. And going to my seat, I got a black King Sean Sexton seat. It's really comfy. I recommend getting it. It's the V1, by the way. And yeah. Going to the back, we got 48 spine rank cranks, the Madeira snow sprocket. I don't know what kind of Madeira sprocket it is, but it's spawn drive. Just a regular chain. Odyssey pedals, and same in the front, same rim in the front, same spokes. Primo mix hub in the back, and a BSD plastic hub guard, and We the People grip and tire, same as my front. And that's it. Going to the pegs, I got the cold butter pegs. Going to the pegs, I got the cold butter pegs. They're plastic, they're nice. I just got these pegs 2 days ago, and they barely have any damage to them. Going to the front, they're rarely new, they're like brand new, really. Hey, yeah, I'll do a review about these cold butter pegs. Just leave a comment on the bottom. And this is my 2013 bike check. Thanks for watching.